Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Patrick Quiros. And sobrang excited na ako guys na mapakinggan at mapanood tong cover song. So ang title ng kanilang kinanta is One Day. And yeah, i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's do begin in one, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Alright. Okay, wait lang guys. Excited ako eh. Okay, bilang tayo guys ng 3, 2, 1, go. So, here we go. Oh, grabe yung harmonizing niya, no? Ang ganda. Wow. Sounds really, really good.
Sometimes I lay under the
Oh my
moon.
goodness.
I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray, don't take me soon.
Oh,
'Cause I am here for a reason. Sometimes in my tears I drown, but I never let it get me down. So
galing.
when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and our children will play one
Wow.
day, one
Galing.
day, one day, one day, one day,
Grabe
one
yung timbre ng boses niya,
day.
no?
It's not about win or lose, cause we all lose when they feed on the souls of the innocent, blood drenched babe. Keep
Ang
on
sarap pakinggan ng
till the
instrument ng
waters
guitar
stay raging.
ni Kuya
In this
Melvin.
place you can lose your way, your way. It might drive you crazy, but don't let it face you no
Grabe
way.
yung diction,
'Cause
no?
I
Sobrang
know
clear. Super
sometimes in
linis
my
kumanta.
tears I drown, but I never let it get me
Wow.
down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday it'll all turn around because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been
Okay?
praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and our children will play one day, one day, one day. Oh, 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 one day, one day, one day.
Grabe.
Ooh,
Ang galing niya mag-humming na yung harmonizing. Sobrang solid. It's giving me a orgasm. Sarap. Sobrang calming. Galing talaga ni Patrick Quiros, no? Wow. 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 Grabe napaka-professional ni Patrick and ni Kuya Melvin. Ang galing nila. Sobrang na-appreciate ko yung performance nila, yung cover song nila. Grabe, nabigyan ng justice. 'Di ba? Yung diction, yung harmonizing, yung sound ng instrument, yung guitar, grabe. Sobrang perfect. Alright? Kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo ito malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!